DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Dan is back in the building. You don't know. Yeah, man. We're there, you know, man. And we're back in our lab. And who we there with today? We're there with a blood cleat. I would say American citizen. Even though you don't live in America. You see me and say, yeah, man. Them man I say 52 states, man. You see me and say, them man I say states mad. You see me and say, you don't know where I talk about, man. We're there with none around Raw Cashh. You wanna name what kind of life this? Raw Cashh, new and upcoming artist, bro, that we've been checking out for the past couple of days, man. He's a nigga that recently dropped the whole diss Skipper. You see me, I say scam now, why you eat that? Bob them a pussy. You don't know, man says Statesman. We just listen to Statesman and his other track, Talker Tone. Yeah, man. So big up Raw Cashh, man. Do him thing, definitely have a buzz right now. Got a whole eyes on him and Skipper right now at the moment for the whole little controversy that they've been going through. But you don't know, yeah, man. We're gonna keep an eye on that as well, and as well as the update. But yeah, man, gang, today we got Raw Cashh, the one name What Kind of Life This. And this was actually requested by one of our Dan Mafia member. Okay, this was requested by J. Sean Johnson. So J. Sean, pick up your damn self with J. Yeah, man, I don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, gang, I'm today we're back in the lab. As I said, we're there with Raw Cashh, the one name What Kind of Life This. I'm gonna check it out and see dog I deal with. You see me, we don't have to hold up the vibes much longer. You see me jump right in Cashh. Raw Cashh. What kind of life this, gang? Let's get it.
West Bank Records.
Yo, killer. States.
Yo, Swift.
I got real with Creative Click. Alright. West Bank? Dog a link with West Bank? Yeah. Alright. West Bank, dog a link over Trinidad West Bank out here. What go on? Alright. Let me know, is this nigga part of the six? Let me know what I go on, gang. You see me, that link with West Bank Records?
It's so much millions more than office penny. We ready for whatever, so you better ready. Spend shoot out the rifle with the pan belly. 25 for we crime, and they up on the silly.
Say so much money, me I want the office penny. You see me, I'm ready for whatever, you know, nigga. So you better ready, you know. Make sure you know, dog. You see me, I say, cause, hey.
Shoot out the rifle with the pan belly. 25 for we crime, and they up on the silly. The bang of them active, we fuck up the silly. Porta la coke, up on the show, me sending reprise.
25 to life, you know, man. Man, I don't know what risk them are running, you know.
Shoot out the rifle with the pan belly. 25 for we crime, and they up on the silly. The bang of them active, we fuck up the silly. Porta la coke, up on the show, me sending reprise. All you be dead if you
say about a boat out of portal up on the shore, me send it bumbo please, you know.
Fuck up the silly. Porta la coke, up on the show, me sending reprise. All you be dead if you this family left me. Heart out of this gal, I just come to me.
Reprisal, you dead if you're this family, brother. Remember, you know that.
Be dead if you're this family left me. Heart out of this gal, I just come to me.
Where would they say?
What kind of life this we make it for real? One up for my dogs,
Drugs and wells chop up. The dolly then they bought. You see money and make the drugs and run man a boss and live a meat life. What you dog? Real. What you mean? Real soldier will fight, stand up firm on feet, dog. We not fall. I want to them man, they not say we fall off. I nah bow for the things them. You see me I work hard and go feet. You see it?
No say believe if you're not true believer. Me pay for me sins, me no need no preacher.
Easy, no?
Them no rate, but me no.
Not say believe if you're not true believer, bro. Me will pay for me sins, bro. Me no need no preacher, bro. You see me? Yeah, man.
No true believer. Me pay for me sins, me no need no preacher. Them say them no rate, but me no rate them neither.
Yeah, man. Them say we no rate to either, man. It feeling is mutual. Oh, I'm tuning, don't ever get it.
Me no need no preacher. Them say them no rate, but me no rate them neither. Benjamins Franklin, me the feature. Me fuck up the states, me never need a visa. 100 mil at the least from the leads at. Mo be the food that fi fly with.
100 mil at the least from the leads at, you know. You see me from the leads at like hot bread, you know, man. You don't know, you know, 100 mil at that.
100 mil at the least from the leads at. Mo be the food that fi fly with the pilot. Scholar fi pay for me lies, him a buy that.
Food of his, hey, fly with the pilot. To your scholar fi bum buckley pay for me. Hey, I lie him buy them. You see me? Come in, man. Come in.
Lie with the pilot.
Easy no mama them, the dolly them, and now we apple them and sitting easy no man.
Mo be the food that fi fly with the pilot. Skull that fi pay for me lies in my buy that.
Kinda like this. Move real.
One up for my dogs, I remind me
See.
real soldier who fight.
I mean, man, real soldier. You see me and say,
Stand up for
me with the feet. No shakiness, no shakiness, no weakness. Stand up firm in this man. It's
so much billions more than what we spend US. We ready for whatever, so you
better ready.
Grand spend. Shoot out the rifle
with the pan belly. Talk to them, man. Tia man.
We ready for whatever,
so you better
ready. Grand spend. Shoot out the rifle
with the pan belly.
25 you we crime me.
Shoot out the rifle with the talk to them, me G.
You better ready. Grand spend. Shoot out the rifle with the pan belly. 25 you we crime me. They are on the silly. If I'm at them active, we fuck up the silly. Yeah
man, don't get it twisted. You see me answer when I'm time for making money. You don't know, say the bang of them, what?
So you better sell it. Pota la coca, man, show me send it. Reprisal, you be dead if you this.
Oh, we get it in. Different methods them raw cash. How we get it in. Different ways, you know, they can't stop, you know, if we fly it or ship it. You see me underground. One more.
Sell it. Pota la coca, man, show me send it. Reprisal, you be dead if you this.
Family.
Left me heart out of this girl, I just come to me.
Mama, take your heart out of this, mama. You see me, we just survive, we just you know, we just enjoy ourselves, mama. You see me, we just live like a life. We there for right here and right now because
heart out of this girl, I just come to me. What kind of life this will make it for real? One up for my dogs, I remind the squeeze. Fuck them. Real soldier we fight.
I want to play some golf to blood clean. I live like a boss. Them a count up the money. You see me? Them a wrap up the goods. You see me? Lick up and tea, but girl their foot dog there. You see me? Yeah, man, machine their foot thugs them there, lock your head back. Come in.
Stay. Monster we're down. Spotify, we are
Easy now. Yeah, I remember I play some golf. They probably had extreme action for it.
States, no or never. So make you them know, say watch out now. You can't do it, don't give up, you know. 25.
States, man. Come you know.
Yeah, dog, every states. You see me? Lock in, word. Don't give up. Can't happen, you see me? Yeah, dog.
I'm live like a life. Clear. You see me? I say, raw cash. Dog, the black Air Force, bro. I had up on the black Air Force energy.
Persistent. Consistency, you see? Don't make them tell them can't do it. Our slice of the cake. No. West Bank. Free killer. Skeleton.
West Bank. Free killer. Yeah, the dog a list. The dog a bumbuckle. Dog a live with link with the 6, bro. Dog link with the 6, man. Trying to link from he say West Bank and he say free killer. You see me?
Yeah, states.
I link with the 6, man. Mobi come from Tudon. Yeah, man. West Bank record, man. I think West Bank will be working with anybody that they, you know, they linking with the 6. If they are in the 6, they're at least, you know what I'm saying, link with the 6. You see me? I think West Bank would not work with them, you know? Well, man, young. Don't know raw cash. What kind of life this? Yeah, man. Big up Jason for the request there. I say raw cash, real dope artist. We keeping a high on his journey in the music right now. Yeah, man. He Stay Smart was dope. Talk to One was dope. Plus, he got the whole controversy between. Whole controversy right now between him and Skipper. So people definitely taking notice and keeping on and looking out, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, raw cash, really dope track. You see me, I be commanding tracking song, really dope track. But yeah, really dope track, really dope song. Sorry guys. You see me? Really dope track, really dope song. Really dope artist. I really enjoy that one. Let me know what's your favorite part, beat, lyric, melody, video. You already know what time it is. Yeah man, I'm gonna chop it up. Yeah, man. Let's kill it. I end this right, so let me know what's your favorite part, gang. You already know what time it is. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You don't know what Jambisco.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.